How much for just one pumpkin, Sarah? The mother asked. The farmer says, 1 cent each, ma'am. The mother says, I'll come back another time. She walks away, children glancing back. The farmer watches them leave, his expression thoughtful. The farmer thinks, when I was a boy, we didn't have much, but someone always found a way to share what they had. Maybe it's my turn. What does harvest really mean? Not what we grow for ourselves, but what we grow for each other. Servant leadership isn't about standing above. It's about kneeling beside and planting seeds where others can rise.